Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Snapchat. Open the app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to inspect. Once you see your profile avatar, tap it to open your profile page. From there, make sure to tap the settings gear icon in the top right so you can access account and security controls. This gets you directly to the place where login activity and device information are stored. Don't skip signing into the correct account because the data shown is account-specific. Once in Settings, scroll to Security and look for Login History, where I'm logged in or a similar label. Apps sometimes rename this, so check nearby security sections. Tap that option and Snapchat will list active sessions and recent logins with device types, approximate locations, and timestamps. Make sure to read each line. Locations may show city-level accuracy. If you see an unfamiliar device, note its time and location, because that information helps decide whether to sign out remotely or change your password immediately. To finish, tap any unfamiliar session and choose Sign Out or Remove to terminate access. Once done, make sure to change your password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future unauthorized logins. If sessions don't disappear right away, clear the app cache in Settings or reinstall the app to force an update, and then recheck. If you still see problems after that, contact Snapchat support and provide the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.